kaunti ya Kisii ase tokumajwa hona nigo omorobolio obwokorwa echanjo gochiase abantu muna nchira ya meyo keania kwambukirirwa kwebinyinyi by'enyamureo nigo chake wase kaunti ya Kisii iyo onyara kogo chake wabena asenya gitari iya Gatembe iyo gotoka meyomochie obosongo okwana chinga kiechio nigo mu director wobochenu Dr. Matiko Giabe anyara kabaga gotabuna nigo egetambukire kyo kiranya kabage gochigo kokonya ase omworobelio bokwenda kurwania horwaire gosomo chando gusebinyenyi bye inyamureo muri ito Daniel Ntiri namange
umubaro w'abamenyikoro ase kaunti ya Kisii na munabasaye aba kwambukirirwa ebinyenyi by'enyamureo nigurache kweranense magega y'echanjo yo gutanga kwambukira ku binyenyi byo goikase kaunti ya Kisii na yegorwa benerero gocha kemeremo asomwega oyokoreka ase dispensary ya Gatembe umugasorero na uragwa no mu director wa mangana yobocheno ase kaunti ya Kisii Matiko Giabe nigatabuna echanjiga ya Lena Kapaville yego kore mirimo magega y'ikiza 43 cy'ubutumiki bwaye tayari yekiranira asinye gitari komi cye county ya Kisii.
We've received enough doses for our county, close to 500 for starters, and we expect that we'll be receiving more doses. It's a drug that is an injectable and has undergone various trials in the past and has been approved by the relevant regulatory bodies as safe and effective to prevent new infections.
Korengana nubutuki hasi Kisii abantu 13 nigo basirite magimabo omwako eta watikana nibinyinyi biga hasi mubaro wobasubati n'abana banyaruka ororekanete ko bayiguro korenganirwa nolia bobamura oteba egetambo kerekega yakonyire ngana boigo yagokerwa nabubwatani aho boigo baikirana.
Everyone receiving it should have the confidence to come forth and get the injection. Lenacapavir comes as an injection of 2 vials as well as 2 tablets. So the injections are done on the first day at 2 sites, subsequent to which the tablets are given, and 24 hours later another tablet is given. And prevention of acquisition of an infection starts around 48 hours.
Twabere no maboko omonene mono asenge jo twabere involved na ndo tochiko bachi beneficiary tonyargo yenda ko betese sindani yenyargo tokonya ntonyargo ne beto kwambukirirwa evirusi bya HIV chisindani chiga buna tote bigu bigo chire sub county hospital CP ase Kisii county ngima to mobilize ni 20 CP togenda to beto sindani yega tonyargo ba zero tonyargo ba ntwambukirirwa evirusi bya HIV wasitonyargo twara Kisii county zero infection.
Nashukuru for injection imekuwa at least it reduce stigma, so I'm happy for this. Yeah, I encourage my people musiogope.
Echanjiga ya Lenacapavir achinga ky'omuntu habetirwe nigo haganire kwegwa dose inde y'echintetire magega y'emetinyi 5 no yomo natali gutanga hamarito magega yegekore ky'obwanchani nkuribo teregeta seni kya Gatembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii leterane nguru kwa Daniel Ntiri.